studio. Sometimes. Yeah, see, I'm not sure. I mean, you got to be careful because it's not like I could do voice acting while. Sorry, am I interrupting? Okay, all right, I'll just continue my thought. It's not like you could be polishing back like a bowl of spaghetti and voice acting because it would sound disgusting. It would sound like the inside of your stomach, right? You know, and people don't want to pay for that. So yeah, I've had to eat a bunch of times at shows, and sometimes I will bring in, something to munch on. Sometimes it's just gum, and sometimes you just wing it, depending on what it is. Because if you're sucking back ramen or whatever, you can just kind of, and you can do that stuff with nothing in your mouth. There was a show that I worked on called Maison Ikoku. Cool. I played Godai on that, and for whatever reason, I had to do. There was a lot of water stuff that happened in that series, so I get so excited if I ever had to do like my own water Foley. Like there was one, I'd be delivering lines under, while swimming in a pool or like, gurgling out and all that kind of stuff. So I'd always have like an extra empty cup so that I'd, spitting all over my scripts and things like that. So yeah, it's one of those things where sometimes we do use, props, be they food or water or whatever, and a lot of times they'll just get that stuff in post-production, so we don't have to do it. So it's kind of hit and miss, depends. But for me, anytime there was any kind of waterful or anything like that, I was like, okay, let me do it. They're like, no, we already have this out. I'm like, oh, come on. Okay. So they would let me do it. Give us an example. I don't even know. I don't even remember. I don't want to make a mess up here, so no. Yeah, most of the effects and stuff they will get, after the fact, but sometimes it sounds better if you can actually do it at the time, and it saves the editors and the mixers from a bit of work too, right? So if you can do it for them, that's cool. I'm gonna go right behind you. We'll come back to you.